Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best silicone utensils is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen gadgets in recent years, and for good reason. Their heat resistance, durability, and versatility make them a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. But with so many options available, choosing the right set can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of heat-resistant silicone utensils, exploring their benefits, drawbacks, and helping you find the perfect set to elevate your cooking experience. Number 5. Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. They're made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, and safe for all types of food. These utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about them melting even when frying. The handles are designed to prevent scalding, and they're also non-stick cookware friendly. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The one-piece molding ensures there are no gaps for food to get trapped, making them a breeze to clean. Just toss them in the dishwasher. This 15-piece set has everything you need for cooking, from spoons and spatulas to tongs and a whisk. We've carefully selected each piece to cover most kitchen tasks. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete set is perfect for friends, family, or anyone who loves to cook. It's a gift that keeps on giving. We're here to help. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll respond within 12 hours. What we like? It has 15 utensils, almost everything you need. It's heat resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for any cooking. If you need a complete set for all your cooking needs, this is the one for you. What people say? The quality is fantastic, and the heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit means I can use them while cooking without worrying about melting or warping. The silicone is soft yet sturdy, making it perfect for use on non-stick cookware, no scratches at all. These are able to handle heavy-duty cooking, and are very easy to clean. Dishwasher safe, and stain resistant. Number 4. Kitchen Silicone Spatula Set. This set is perfect for all your cooking and baking needs. It's heat resistant, durable, and easy to clean. These spatulas can withstand high temperatures without melting, warping, or emitting any unpleasant plastic smells. They're perfect for even the hottest kitchens. They are lightweight and ergonomically designed for comfortable use. Made from high-quality silicone, they're built to last. The spatulas are made from BPA-free silicone and are completely dishwasher safe. Plus, the heads are removable for thorough cleaning. This set includes a large spatula, a small spatula, a spoon spatula, and a jar spatula. Each one is designed to help you with different tasks in the kitchen. From flipping pancakes to mixing batter, these spatulas are versatile enough for any task. Get yours today. What we like? This set has 4 different spatulas for various tasks. They are heat resistant and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you are looking for a versatile and easy to clean spatula set, this is a great option. Number 3. Silicone Cooking Utensil Set. These cooking utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They're perfect for any cooking task, from delicate sauces to searing steaks. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, they are BPA-free and won't react with your food. Enjoy healthy cooking and worry-free cleanup. This set is designed to protect your non-stick cookware from scratches. The smooth silicone surface makes food release and cleaning effortless. The stainless steel core ensures they maintain their shape and flexibility. They're built to last through years of use in your busy kitchen. This set makes a wonderful housewarming, wedding, or holiday gift. It's a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen. With 9 cooking tools and 4 baking utensils, this set has everything you need for everyday cooking and baking. It includes a ladle, spoons, spatulas, and more. What we like? This set includes 9 cooking and 4 baking tools. It features a unique wooden handle and is heat resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. If you appreciate both style and functionality in your kitchen tools, consider this set. What people say? This item is rated, per the shipped instructions, to 500F. Use outside this will result in damage. Works well in all types of cookware. Won't scratch anything up. They are made with high-quality materials. The white is still white with zero staining. The wood is in excellent shape as long as you hand wash and don't soak wood in water. The quality of the silicone is excellent, the variety of utensils is great. Number 2. Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set. This amazing set is made from premium food-grade silicone, ensuring it's safe and durable for all your cooking needs. It's heat-resistant up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for any cooking style. They can withstand high temperatures without melting or warping. These utensils are built to last, making them a reliable addition to your kitchen. Made with high-quality, food-grade silicone, it's completely BPA-free. They won't retain odors or stains, ensuring healthy and delicious meals every time. This set is perfect for non-stick cookware. They're gentle on surfaces, preventing scratches and making cooking and cleaning a breeze. Each utensil is reinforced with a stainless steel core, providing strength and flexibility. The seamless design prevents food from getting trapped, making cleaning easy. This versatile set makes a wonderful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. It's a practical and thoughtful present any home cook would appreciate. We're committed to providing fast and responsive support. Contact us with any questions, and we'll get back to you within 12 hours. What we like. This set offers 9 cooking and 4 baking utensils. It's designed for easy cleaning and can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. If you value a large, easy-to-clean set, this is a great choice. What people say. The silicone material also seems to withstand high heat, which is a big plus. They are incredibly durable, making them a great addition to any kitchen. The wooden handles are not dishwasher safe, but cleanup is so easy, just a little warm soapy water gets them clean as a whistle. They also work well with high heat and are BPA-free. Number 1. ORO Silicone Spatula Set. This 3-piece set is made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone. It's perfect for all your cooking and baking needs. These spatulas can withstand extreme heat, so you don't have to worry about melting them. They're built to last. The one-piece design prevents food buildup, making them easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. Each spatula is designed with flexibility and strength for various kitchen tasks. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. These silicone spatulas are gentle on your non-stick cookware, preventing scratches. They're perfect for eggs, veggies, and more. We're committed to providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This set contains 3 spatulas with a seamless design for easy cleaning. It's extremely heat-resistant, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. If you need durable, high-heat spatulas with superior hygiene, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They ship each item separately. These really stand up to heat and perform better than my old standard utensils. Love the silicone for its ease of use, non-damaging to my cookware and cleans up easily. I've had this set of silicone spatulas since 2020. 5 years later, they're still going strong. I use them almost every day, and they've held up beautifully. They're perfect for everyday cooking and especially handy when working with sticky doughs or thick syrups. Super durable, easy to clean, and I love the variety of sizes in the set. It makes a big difference depending on what I'm cooking or baking. The smallest spatula is useful in scraping out sticky stuff from containers. The other 2 are great for baking and cooking in general. I use these spatulas all the time. This is the 3rd set that I've purchased. I've bought them for others. I have used them for several years and they're all in good condition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.